The MyPEUGEOT app allows you to access everything you need to know about your Peugeot on your smartphone. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to use the perfect digital companion for your Peugeot. Let's start with the home page. From here, you'll be able to see essential data about your car. Handy stats like fuel level, average consumption, and mileage are all displayed. In the event of any technical issues with your car, an alert will be displayed on the home page. You can also easily search and contact a local Peugeot retailer or workshop, and reach our customer care team like so. This means you have a quick and easy way of making an appointment or asking for a quote at your preferred retailer store. As well as finding its location, opening times and available services, the maintenance section allows you to see any service, MOT or maintenance appointments that have already taken place. The MyPEUGEOT app will also provide maintenance reminders straight to your mobile device. The MyPEUGEOT app also lets you stay connected to your car whenever you want, wherever you want. Details about your journey can be found in just one click. You'll have full access to your dashboard and can use time filters to display any of your journeys. This enables you to pick out a specific journey and obtain information like duration, distance, average speed, fuel consumption and cost. When you add the latest fuel prices in your area like so, this becomes more accurate. The benefits don't stop there either. You can also create categories to choose your type of journey. This helps distinguish whether you're on a business or a leisure trip. Having access to this kind of information is a great way to optimize your driving and understand where you can become more efficient. In the car section, you can see the VIN number and the mileage of your car. You also have access to all of your connected services. If you receive an alert on your car, and you're not sure what it corresponds to, this is where you can find all the information you need about warning lights. You can discover when the issue was detected, some details about it, and how to solve it. Simply click on the related symbol you're shown and you'll find an explanation. It will also tell you the best course of action. It's like a tiny Peugeot technician in your pocket. You can also find lots of helpful information about your car, including the full vehicle handbooks as well as useful video tutorials on how to get the most out of your Peugeot. And finally, the More Info tab gives you the latest Peugeot news, vehicle promotions, after-sales promotions, and exclusive offers, making sure you're up to date on all things Peugeot.